Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Winnipeg Beach is a lakeside town in the province of Manitoba, located along the southwestern shore of Lake Winnipeg. It sits about 60 kilometers north of Winnipeg and has a population of roughly 1,000 residents. Despite its modest size, Winnipeg Beach has long been one of Manitoba's best-known summer destinations, with a history closely tied to tourism, recreation, and its connection to the lake. The town's development began in the early 20th century, during a time when rail travel was expanding across the province. In 1907, the Canadian Pacific Railway extended a line to this shoreline, making it easy for people from Winnipeg to reach the lake.
Thank you very much.
This access transformed Winnipeg Beach into a popular resort town almost overnight, drawing thousands of visitors during the summer months. During its peak years in the early 1900s, Winnipeg Beach became known for its lively boardwalk, sandy beach, and entertainment attractions. Dance halls, amusement rides, and arcades lined the waterfront, creating a vibrant atmosphere that attracted crowds from across the region. The town earned a reputation as a place for relaxation and social gatherings where people could escape the heat of the city and enjoy the lakeside setting. One of the most iconic features of Winnipeg Beach during this time was its large wooden roller coaster, which operated for several decades and became a symbol of the town's resort era. While many of these original attractions are no longer present, they played a major role in shaping the town's identity. The legacy of this period can still be seen in the layout of the community and its continued focus on tourism. As travel patterns changed in the mid-20th century, particularly with the rise of automobile use, the importance of the railway declined. Winnipeg Beach experienced a gradual shift, moving away from large-scale amusement attractions toward a quieter, more relaxed atmosphere. While it remained a popular destination, it adapted to a different kind of visitor, one more focused on the natural setting than on organized entertainment. Today, Winnipeg Beach is known for its long stretch of sandy shoreline along Lake Winnipeg, as well as its marina and public spaces. The boardwalk remains a central feature, offering views of the lake and a place to walk along the water. The town continues to attract visitors during the summer, with its population increasing as seasonal residents and tourists arrive to enjoy the warmer weather. Fishing and boating are important parts of life in the area, reflecting the ongoing role of Lake Winnipeg in the local economy and culture. The lake supports a significant freshwater fishery, with species such as walleye, whitefish, and perch commonly found here. While Winnipeg Beach is more focused on recreation than commercial fishing, the presence of the lake remains central to its identity. The natural environment around Winnipeg Beach includes not only the shoreline, but also nearby wetlands and open landscapes that support local wildlife. Bird species are common in the area, and the wide, open views across the lake contribute to a sense of space that defines this part of Manitoba. The changing seasons bring noticeable differences, from busy summers to quiet winters when the lake freezes over. Today, Winnipeg Beach reflects both its past and present. It carries the history of a once bustling resort town while offering a more relaxed experience centered on the lake and its surroundings. For travelers, it provides a clear example of how a community can evolve over time, adapting to changing trends while remaining connected to its original purpose as a place to gather, unwind, and enjoy the waterfront.